What's up, guys? Today I'm going to organize tools and organize my Harbor Freight cart since everybody's giving me crap about how messy it is. Pretty much done with my engine swap and everything is everywhere, and I want to try to organize everything into this cart. So let's get started and see where we end up. Should be able to fit quite a bit in it, especially with the locker. So yeah, I'll give you a tour when I'm done. Well, all right, guys, I've got it cleaned up, organized a little bit better. It's still an at-home box, so it's not perfect. I've also kind of cleaned up the shop. The workbench is a little messy still. Extra toolboxes over there, sandblaster, tire mounting machine, tire balancing machine. That's a lot of my brother and sister-in-law's stuff that we're storing at the moment, so that'll be out of here soon. Apparently it's going to rain outside. Yeah, I've got screwdrivers, picks, screwdrivers up here on the top. I've got my laptop. I'm tuning the engine swap that I have in one of my Fieros. This drawer is kind of electrical stuff, electrical tape, multimeter, some spare wire, some heat shrink tubing. This one is big wrenches and big crescent wrenches. This drawer I've got all my brake service stuff in. I got flaring tools. I've got the brake caliper compression tool for the turn-in style calipers, tubing cutters, line wrenches, some C-clamps. This drawer is pliers. I'm gonna get one of those plier racks. I haven't gone out anywhere because of the coronavirus thing, but I want to get some plier rack and kind of arrange those a little nicer. This drawer here is still all my sockets, ratchets, extensions, all that stuff. Then over here in the locker, this is Allen bits and hose clamps. This is my metric wrenches. I want to get a wrench organizer for in here too. I have one up here on the workbench also, so this is kind of overflow. A bunch of gear wrench sets. This one is hammers, pullers, some punches. This drawer is standard wrenches. Got the Craftsman set, and I have a gear wrench set. Since I work on 80s cars, there's a mixture of metric and standard. Here I have my cooling system pressure tester. This one is still socket overflow. I've got to organize these. I don't really have anywhere to put them right now. So that's still got to get organized. And this drawer down here is power tools. I'm considering making a rack in here that'll hold everything. Up here, I have this buffer wheel, and then I have this Snap-on 3/8 also that could go down in this drawer. And then I clean the underside of the cart also, and all my power tools are down here. My bandsaw, my recip saw, my cutoff wheel grinder is down here. Battery tester, timing light, and some funnels. And then I have some chain and ratchet straps and stuff for picking up engines down here. And then, bottles and stuff on this side. So yeah, I mean, it's a little nicer now, a little more organized. Could fit a lot more in there. Still got to organize those sockets. Yeah, I mean, this one is kind of just overflow garbage for the most part. That one's drill bits and saws. That's just overflow garbage. This one here is bolts and garbage. This one here is another electrical drawer with zip ties and wiring and 22 shells. Butt connectors. And then this box there's Dremels, miscellaneous crap, miscellaneous crap, miscellaneous crap. Yeah, more. So yeah, that's that. Really like this cart with the locker on it. Moves around quite easily. So I'll be able to move it around the shop when I get my hoist. My hoist is going to go about where this car is, maybe back a little bit. I'll be able to move that around the shop as I need to. So yeah, hope you like it. Like, comment, subscribe. Do whatever you want to do, I guess. I will see you in the next one.